Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to file your 1040 tax return. First, gather all your essential tax documents. This includes income statements like your Form W-2 from employers and any Form 1099s for other income sources. Don't forget to collect records for potential deductions and credits, such as mortgage interest or student loan interest. Having your Social Security number and those of your dependents readily available is also crucial for accurate filing. Next, decide how you'll submit your return. You have two main options: e-filing using tax software or mailing a paper return. E-filing is generally faster, often leading to quicker refunds if you're due one, and many software options guide you through the process. If you prefer paper, ensure you print and mail your completed Form 1040 along with any required schedules and forms to the correct IRS address. Now, let's focus on completing Form 1040 itself. Carefully enter all your income, including wages, interest, and dividends, onto the correct lines. Then, calculate your adjusted gross income by subtracting any eligible deductions, like contributions to an IRA. Finally, determine your total tax liability and apply any tax credits you qualify for, which can directly reduce the amount of tax you owe. Before submitting, thoroughly review your entire return for any errors or omissions. Accuracy is key to avoiding delays or issues with the IRS. If you're filing a paper return, remember to sign and date it. Once everything is verified, submit your return through your chosen method. Always keep a copy of your filed return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years for your records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.